Hey, this is James.
And Bear.
And today we're going to talk about unity.
Dum dum dum.
Unity is something we could actually invest a whole day on, and we're not going to do that here. We're going to do our best to keep it tight. But I'm going to throw to you first, Bear. What's the first thing that comes up for you that you think is important regarding unity or where to be unified?
I would say inner unity within yourself first.
I definitely agree on that. Inner unity. Because the reality is, if you pay attention, you probably have multiple personality disorder. Right? Because anger tells you to lash out, peace tells you to reel it back, calm down. Doubt tells you you're not going to make it, and courage says go for it. Dad's voice says this, and mom's voice says that. Socialized mind tells you this is what's important, and your inner voice tells you maybe something else is important. Do you find many people that have inner unity that we interact with?
Oh, yeah.
You do?
Oh, and they have it. No.
No. Do you have it?
No.
Sometimes you do.
Sometimes.
It's getting better, right?
Yeah.
I mean, the fact is, if you pay attention to your thoughts, what do you begin to realize?
That there's a lot of chatter going on upstairs.
There is, right? And so inner unity is about bringing that unified front within yourself, and you can't do that outside of you until you first do it inside, right? Said like a pro. And that takes a lot of work. Yeah. That takes a lot of work. So then the other place where I think unity is important is unity on essentials in relationships with another human being. And I promise you, you're not going to have that with another human being until you first and foremost have it for your self, right? And we work with people in relationships, and one of the things we find consistently is that people do not have in their relationship unity on essentials. Compatibility is a great thing. Communication is a great thing. But I'm going to suggest to you that unity on essentials is even more powerful than that. So what are some of the essentials that we work with other couples? Values. Individually and then collectively, yes. Right? Other things? Beliefs, purpose, vision, goals. We have all those things, don't we have individual goals and values, and we have a collective purpose, goals and values for our relationship, right?
Yes.
And that's unity on essentials. So let's forget compatibility, not that that's wrong, but let's put a focus upon unity on essentials. And you have to get it for yourself first before you can have it with anyone else. Hope that makes sense to you. Reel it in, Bear.
Thank you for joining us. Until next time.
We love you. We appreciate you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.